Bitter gourd is a very nutritious vegetable. The smaller the size, the more nutrient it contains. It is an excellent source of vitamin C and contains most of the B complex vitamins and vitamin A in the form of carotene. It is a good source of calcium, phosphorus, potassium, and iron. It is a blood sugar reducer, astringent, anti-hemorrhoidal, and checks bleeding of piles. It is appetizer and digestive. It induces menstruation and increases milk secretion. It makes liver strong. It is anthelmintic, that is, it removes worms, and it is a blood purifier. Bitter gourds are no doubt better in taste, but stimulant of gastric fire. It is warm, purgative, soothing, and conducive to digestion. It cures cough, windiness, blood impurities, fever, bile, anemia, and leukoderma. Bitter gourd eliminates worms thriving in intestine. Since it is diuretic, it relieves from the burning in the kidneys. It may dissolve kidney stone. If a glass of bitter gourd juice is taken on an empty stomach, it may be beneficial to the patients suffering from arthritis and jaundice. Bitter gourd is more or less like a medicine in the problems of diabetes. Researchers have established that it contains insulin-like properties and is designated as plant insulin. It has been found very beneficial in lowering the blood and urine sugar levels. Diabetic patients should take juice of this bitter gourd every morning on an empty stomach. Seeds of bitter gourd can be powdered and added to the daily meals. It can also be taken in the form of decoction by boiling the pieces in water or as dry powder. Most of the diabetics suffer from malnutrition. Bitter gourd is rich in a number of essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, B1, B2, vitamin C, and iron, which prevents from many complications associated with diabetes such as hypertension, eye complications, neuritis, and defective metabolism of carbohydrates. Bitter gourd roots can be used as a medicine by asthmatic patients, as its root possesses mucus clearing property. A teaspoon of this root paste mixed with an equal amount of honey or juice of the basil leaves may act as an excellent expectorant medicine for this disease. Bitter gourd is highly beneficial in the treatment of blood disorders like blood boils, scabies, itching psoriasis, ringworm, and other fungal diseases. A small cup full of fresh juice of bitter gourd with a teaspoon of lime juice should be taken on an empty stomach daily for 6 months to get positive results. Juice of the leaves of bitter gourd is beneficial in the treatment of alcoholism. It also tones up the liver affected by alcohol. Diarrhea and cholera can also be controlled by taking fresh juice of bitter gourd leaves. 2 teaspoons of this juice plus equal quantity of white onion juice with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice mixed together should be given in these conditions. The leaves are said to increase the milk production in lactating mothers.